about shopping in supermarkets. Follow the arrows. Spatial awareness. No crossing over. And remember, this is the message from the co-op.
For anyone who is struggling to get out in the Buryport and Pembrey area due to being vulnerable, please pass on this phone number to them, 033 00 417737. Tell the operator you'd like to get shopping from the co-op Buryport store, and you can pay over the phone. Suggested orders of £15 and under if possible, please. Hashtag it's what we do. Hashtag feeding the nation.
Apples, potatoes, banana, beer, and remember, couldn't have a drink.